Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Acharya teaser.
Yes, so we have megastar Chiranjeevi and Ram Charan.
Yes.
So these two names I think are enough to describe the beauty of this teaser, okay?
Right.
And we have also Kajal Agarwal.
Yes.
Yeah. So the movie is
not
written
sure Ram
and
Charan is the cast in this movie or not, because in cast they haven't included the name, just they have included
in the cast.
His name in title.
So the movie is written and directed by Koratala Siva. Okay, and the producers are Niranjan Reddy and Ram Charan.
Okay.
So Ram Charan is the producer.
Charan is producer.
Oh my God! So
Okay.
I think we can see a little bit of glimpse of Ram Charan in this movie,
Maybe,
guest appearance or
Guest
something
appearance
like
will be
that.
there, right.
Okay, so we are very much excited for Acharya. Okay, so let's get
Right.
started. After that, we'll be talking more about this teaser. So before that, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes. Okay, nice picturization. Oh
ఇతరుల కోసం జీవించేవారు దైవంతో
Acharya,
సమానం.
okay, मतलब वही.
God.
అలాంటి వారి జీవితాలే ప్రమాదంలో పడితే ఆ దైవమే వచ్చి కాపాడాల్సిన పని లేదు.
My goodness, he's looking too much young.
His skin and everything is glowing.
Wow.
Superb, man.
పాఠాలు చెప్పే అలవాటు లేకపోయినా అందరూ ఎందుకు ఆచార్య అంటుంటారు. బహుశా గుణపాఠాలు చెప్తాననేమో.
Theaters this summer.
Okay, I think he is the savior of the
Yes.
people. That is why he is called as Acharya. He himself told like that. I give them a lesson, and that is why they call me Acharya.
Okay, like a
I'm
teacher,
giving
right?
teacher, kind of
Yes.
like teacher. Wow, that is amazing.
Amazing. I
And he
love
was
the
looking.
way this teaser was getting executed.
Yeah, I really like the way.
The
Yeah.
picturization was so beautiful.
The picturization, the execution of the scene, the slow motion strategies, everything was like on point. And I really love the camera angle.
Yes.
जो कैमरा का जो फोकस ये था ना इनके फेस के ऊपर, आंखों के ऊपर, so it was like capturing the exact expression of Chiranjeevi sir, which is very important actually
And also,
in this
I
movie. I
mentioned
think
earlier also, he is looking too much young,
Young,
right? At this age also, he is looking so much young. And
they
I
are
think
very fit actually. They are very fit in this age also.
Before he was a little bit chubby kind of thing, but now he is
Fit ekdam.
fit, or you can say a little bit lean also.
Lean also, huh? He's looking perfectly suitable
Yes.
for this role, this Acharya role.
And we
I
know
thought
his eye expression.
He's the expression guru.
Yes.
Very true. I thought by seeing the name Acharya, I thought this movie is based upon some puja or kind of like
And
that,
it's based
cultural
upon
kind of
that also.
that. But I think Acharya, that means he will be giving the lesson to the bad or to the goons
Right.
whenever they are
And he
doing
will
some
be fighting against a lot of
injustice. Yes, yeah, some little portion of puja and that puja archana kind of situation was there at the very beginning we saw. But I think this movie is not based upon some cultural event.
I
It is
think so,
based
but,
upon some this activity, like he will be giving the lesson to the goons and he was killing.
But the way it
He's
was
taking the
executing,
oath of that भगवान.
Yes, but
पीछे था ना.
but the way the teacher was executing, it was showing
Mixed I think,
temples,
temples भी
and
था.
lot of pujas and all.
Correct.
It was happening. So I think it will be a mixed kind of that.
Mixed kind of,
So he will be a blessed kind of person. Right?
He will be a blessed, a blessed kind of a person, and he is the savior of the whole. You can say the village or a residence,
Maybe
whatever it
can
is.
It can be there that whole village somebody else is going to acquire, and
Acquire,
he is the acharya, he is the savior
the
of the
savior.
people, right? Or
maybe.
maybe something outbroke and he is the savior.
Maybe,
That
yes.
can be happen.
I really
Or
love
maybe
that
there will be
scene.
some political connection also. We never know, right?
Can be.
Yes.
I really love that scene where पीछे जो दुर्गा मूर्ति था ना, it was red in color. The
Yes,
graphics
right.
used so beautifully, man. It was seamless. And पीछे जो वो दुर्गा का मूर्ति था, and he was like standing in front of that, and he was like killing with that thing, that weapon. I don't know what it is called. The sword,
Trishul.
Trishul. Yes. And it was looking, मतलब क्या बोले? It was looking like too good,
Yes.
too good, man.
Right. And in this teaser, we haven't seen the glimpse of Ram Charan or.
हाँ, Ram Charan we
Kajal
have
Agarwal
not
also.
seen.
Maybe
you
he will
saw.
be have no, I haven't seen.
हाँ.
Maybe he will be have some little bit small glimpse.
Maybe
Okay, and
Ram Charan.
Kajal
Kajal
Agarwal
Agarwal
also we haven't seen.
will be the actress.
Yes.
This whole teaser is based upon megastar Chiranjeevi sir only. He
Yes,
was only
exactly.
the showstopper in this whole teaser, and he was only, we are looking at him only. That is why I ask you, have you seen? Because I have not seen. My whole attention
Yes,
was on
exactly.
Chiranjeevi
It
sir only.
happens, right?
He
Most of the
is a
people sometimes
superstar.
happen
That
like
is why.
if you watch a teaser for twice time, two times you will see different glimpses.
Different glimpse, yes.
It happens,
And
yes.
this is only 1 minute 07
It's a
seconds, right?
teaser,
So this is a
it
very
will be-
small.
Teaser generally it comes around 1 or max to max,
Max
1 and
to
a half,
max 1.5
minute, right?
that kind of.
Yeah.
Yes, we are now waiting to get the trailer released, so
Okay,
that we
so-
can get a better idea about what will be going on, like in this
And they
movie.
have told that this movie is going to release in this summer, so maybe they in June,
In
July,
June,
something.
July, June, July, maybe this the movie is getting released. We are very much excited because अभी सब अच्छा movie release हो रहे हैं.
Exactly.
मतलब
Yeah,
all
all
of the
the pending-
blockbusters,
all the pending
all of the
movies are
blockbusters are
getting
getting
released
released one by one. So Master
Yes.
से शुरू हुआ था.
Right.
Now it is like moving on, and we are very
And
happy because of that.
This year it will be full of movies. and
Full
all.
of movies, full of recreation,
Yes.
full of enjoyment, full of happiness.
Right.
Okay, whatever happened in 2020, that was very pathetic. That was,
Yes.
we cannot change our past, but yes, the future will be so good.
Yes,
We can
of
understand that thing. Okay, and yeah, let's talk about some more thing about
The music,
music
right?
wise. Yes, the BGM and all. How did you like?
background music? Background score was somewhat. It was kind of thrilling. But
Thrilling.
if you see some religious fight and all, it was like
Like
that.
that
It was
only.
thrilling kind of. The things was there, and the scenic beauty, like the way it enters. It started the
Yeah,
teaser,
he was
the
entering.
greenery and
Oh,
all. It
God.
was like forest, between the forest,
Ah.
the temple is there, or some
Beautiful
mountain.
execution,
right?
beautiful.
That
Yes,
I
that
loved
was
it.
amazing.
Yes.
Okay, so I really love the whole sword that बड़ा निकल रहा था ना, जब कटारी टाइप का, and everybody is pointing to the Chiranjeevi sir, like as if they are trying to मतलब kill him or trying to beat him, something like that. And I really love how he came and he has just started to kill that goons, and खून का जो ब्लड का छींटा इधर उधर निकल रहा था. It was like flowing इधर उधर. So I really love the whole execution of it. Like they have worked a lot to
of course.
make up
The
the whole
VFX,
teaser. The
the
VFX,
VFX
the
and
editing, everything was
Yes.
like on point.
And also the color, whatever the picturization color, it was
Yeah.
looking colorful. right?
Colorful, it was
Like
looking
vivid
red.
color, you can say.
Vivid color. I think it is giving some significance of some ये हो सकता है religious content,
That's
because
what
red color was there.
That's
No,
what I was saying.
so red color is a very, हमारे यहाँ पे मानते हैं कि red color is a symbol of you can say victory
Right.
or some religious event. So maybe it was happening on the eve of something. Something
It
has
could be.
happened,
It
something
could
is
be, right?
being happened. Yes,
Yeah.
like some puja or some religious content is happening, and on the top of that only he is like fighting with the goons,
Yes,
and
of
he
course.
will be the victory
Right.
of like
Yes.
like
Of
around
course,
the goons and
he's
all.
the blessed man.
He is the
so,
blessed man.
He will
Yes.
have everything, every power.
I really like the concept. Though
Right.
we don't know what is the actual concept of it, but yes, if it
We
is the
are-
concept,
we are
it is
assuming
good.
a lot of the things, and
Ah.
maybe in the end we might be wrong or right.
Wrong
We
or
never
right,
know.
but yes, what we are thinking, what we are seeing, like
Right.
1 minute only long teaser, right? So whatever we are thinking, we are just expressing our
Right.
views. But definitely, if we are wrong or right, whatever it is, you can let us know in the comment bar. What is the context of the movie, or you are having any better aspects of it or not, right, Abhay?
Yes.
So it is a 10 on 10 from
Of
our
course,
side.
no doubt.
No doubt. Chiranjeevi sir, you are rocking. Chiranjeevi sir
That's
तो
why he is
बहुत
a
सारे
mega star.
मतलब मेगा स्टार, बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स, एंड ही इज वेरी super talented man. He's a expression king. He's full of talent. Okay, so we have full faith on him. This movie is going to be rock on, man. Okay, so we are very much excited for the trailer to get released. You can definitely let us know that when the trailer is getting released. All right, Abhay? We will be like giving the reaction on the trailer. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. We enjoyed it like anything. It is a full 10 on 10 from our side, both Mr. and Mrs. Pandit's side. And let us know how you like this trailer. What is your opinion on that?
It's teaser.
Sorry, teaser. Yes. What is your opinion on this teaser and each and every single thing? So yeah, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.